All right, real quick, we're going to be talking about the Maillard reaction. And one example of the Maillard reaction is cheese and the browning that happens on top when you get pizza that's brown on top, when the cheese is very crispy, I guess you could say, or crunchy. This also happens a lot in other cheese products, like maybe a queso dip where the chips are like finely pressed against the cheese and the cheese has been cooked for quite a long time, or on the bottom of the pans where the cheese is brown and crisp. What I'm doing right now is just I have a cheese on low on top of this stove. This is what it looks like right here. So I'm just going to cook this right now, and what's going to happen is the Maillard reaction, which is the combination of a non-reducing sugar and an amino acid group. And the amino acid obviously is going to come from the protein portion, but what a lot of people don't know is that there is a sugar molecule in cheese, and that's known as lactose, which is the dairy product. The lactose is a reducing sugar made up of glucose and galactose, which is going to cause this Maillard reaction to take place. So right now my cheese is bubbling. We're going to increase the heat a little bit. This is different from caramelization because caramelization involves sugars, 2 sugars. There's no amino acid involved. Alright, the cheese is starting to brown on the edges. It's usually where it's really thin that you can tell. This also happens a lot when you put like macaroni and cheese in the oven and broil it, and you sprinkle the top layer with cheese. That's where you'll really notice the browning taking place. Okay, this is almost done. You can probably turn this off here soon. I want to make sure you can see it though before. Okay. We're going to go ahead and say this is done. But if you're looking in this pan, I don't know if you can see the browning on the edge here. That's the Maillard reaction taking place. And we also have the separation of the oils as it's heated because the molecules obviously are releasing all the extra fat, the saturated fat within it. And since it's heated up, you know, it's fats. We learned all this in lecture already. Okay, well that's all. Thanks.